Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we are going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, and DOT, but Bitcoin's the key one, okay? I think DOT we're going to get there. But yeah, so Ethereum. But yeah, I'm going to, DOT's going to go on the back burner for a little bit here soon, guys. I'm just doing this one not last video. I mean, I'm going to do more charting in the future, but I'm going to switch these up a little bit. But right now, we're going to concentrate on Bitcoin. Well, guys, we got the daily close, which is great news, above my 49.67 level or 49,667 level, which we ended up coming back down, retracing it, and getting the bounce. This is a good sign, but let's see if this holds. We don't want to see this fold under the W pattern. I mean, if it does, it's not the end of the world, but it's definitely a lot more bullish if we keep moving to the upside, and if we could definitely get past this 51 to 51.5 area, get past my purple box, which we got rejected at earlier. So that is key, guys. So this is good. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get some more movement to the upside. Ethereum, we closed above my purple box, above 39. So I am going to look for 4,000 plus here in the short term, near future here. And so the Ethereum's looking good. Let's see. Do we see anything on the 1 hour? I mean, obviously, the daily just closed. Actually, I'm seeing a nice little curl here, guys. This is looking good. I hope my new mic is serving me well, because the other one I have is it just didn't sound too great. Yeah, I mean, this is looking good. Guys, it's curling. Let's see if we can curl up here and get above this previous high and keep going to the upside. But so far, so good on the hourly. Let's check the 4-hour chart. 4-hour looks good. I do like this reversal candle here. Let's see if we can go more to the upside. We don't want to see this next candle closing under here. That would be kind of bearish, and maybe a bounce if that does happen. So we'll keep an eye on that. So Ethereum is looking good. God dang it, Cardano. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you. Cardano, I mean, besides, of course, we bought it. We've been holding it since $1, and that's beautiful. That's great. But I was really expecting a big run. I mean, going into the new transition for Cardano, and right now they're just not letting us get that close. Can we still break out? Yeah, because if Bitcoin breaks out, we could still break out. But Cardano's been lately, just because you see how close we're like. I mean, it's like a tease. You're getting teased that, oh, here we can break out. Oh, you're so close. Oh, we're almost there, and they're just not letting us get there. And it's very frustrating because we're so close to that big breakout. But eventually it'll come. I just think it's going to take a little bit. It's going to take a little bit longer than we thought. That's all. So Cardano, a little sideways, maybe a little upside action in the future, but right now it's just kind of stagnant. Okay. Matic, we came up earlier. If you guys watched my earlier video, I was talking about getting a candle closing out of here, maybe coming up, retesting here, bouncing and going. But we got rejected right here. So hopefully within the next two, well, this is on the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour. Let's see if we can get a 4-hour at least candle close, and then a new open, and then a bounce. Let's see if that could be a possibility. But right now we did get rejected. Let's see. Let's see if we see, what do we see on the 1 hour? Yeah, I mean, it's curling, so let's see if we can get up there and go. We got a nice little bounce off the 140, so let's see if we can do it. Not get a wick, but we need some candles closing, guys. That's key. So yeah, I mean, Matic, everything's kind of stagnant right now. Let's look at Dot. Dot's looking the best out of all of them. Dot's looking good, guys. It's still in this nice uptrend. I would look for a continuation on Dot up to the 35 at some point. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold here. I don't want to see this falling back under. I'll be honest with you guys. I didn't like it under 46, right? I'm moving that target up now. I think a 4-hour candle close under 48,500 would look pretty bad at this point. Or even at, well, a daily, or even, I'll be honest with you, even a 2-hour close or an hour close. I just don't like it under, I don't like it under 48,500. I think if that happens, then we could see some more downside. So let's just keep an eye on that, guys, for Bitcoin. But I think we covered it all. Dot's looking pretty good. Everything's on a little uptrend, except for Cardano. Let's look at the hour. Nah. God, we're fighting this line. We just can't. I mean, we're getting these little hour, but let's look at the 4. I mean, look at this. We're just trending around this line here. We're not getting that clean. I wish we would have got that daily. This is actually not looking that great on Cardano. Hopefully we get a turnaround. We don't make a new low here on the 4-hour underneath this, but just a little disappointing. I thought this would be running a lot harder right now, but hey, it is what it is, guys. Let's just keep hope alive, and we'll go from there. But listen, guys, I think that's it for tonight's video. Not too much to it. I did a video earlier you guys can check out. I went in a little bit more detail on things. I hope my microphone sounds good. I just bought a new microphone, so hopefully this does sound good. Hopefully we get a nice 4-hour candle here. Let's see what we're looking at. Bitcoin. Well, hopefully we can get this to close to the top side of the candle and then get the next candle, and this could be a possible reversal here. So that's what I would be looking for off of Bitcoin's candle. And I think that's pretty much it. I think I covered everything. Yeah, so we want to see this candle close on the high end of this. So if we closed like anywhere above here, we'd be okay, and then have the next candle break above this previous high. We definitely don't want to go lower. We don't want to go lower than the 4-hour because that's creating a new low, and we don't want to do that. So I think that's it. Guys, listen, much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys subbing to my channel. Get me to 1,000, and then, I want to go live at 1,000. And guys, once I get to 5,000 subscribers, I will be giving out some gold to some of you. So some of you guys that like and comment and stuff like that, I am going to give out some gold just to show love, because I think gold is a great thing to show love. So, and I love all you guys. I started this channel because I wanted all you guys to be successful and achieve things that, that it took me years to this has been years in the making, guys. I didn't just learn technical analysis overnight. This is something that I've been doing for a long time, and something that I really, really work hard at, and I take pride in. I'm very dedicated to this. So, if you are trying to learn, understand that this is a process. It does take time. You got to know what to look for. You got to know how the market runs. You got to know how the players play. These are things that I'm trying to teach you. A lot of my videos I did earlier, I did a lot of teaching. Lately, it's been more of uptrend targets. The reason I was doing a lot of teaching in my previous videos when I first started my channel a couple months ago was because we were in a downtrend. And you could always learn the most, in my opinion, when you can trade well. When you can trade well on a downtrend, when things are on fire and everybody's panicking and you're still making money, that's when you become a successful trader. Okay, so listen, guys, make sure you guys. I'm gonna do some more teaching, but I think that's it for tonight. It is Friday night. I don't want to keep you guys too long, but yeah, listen. Much love to you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, Moondog Trading. Make sure you guys hit the bell, hit all, because they shadow ban my videos. So sometimes you won't see my videos, even if you go to my channel, unless you hit that bell and hit all. And that's how you can see my videos. So also, I'm going to put a link to my Twitter account in the description. That's Moondog Trading 1 is my Twitter account. So I'll put a link in the description of my Twitter. Sometimes I do updates on there as well. I always post all my videos on there. Also, I'm going to put a link to TradingView, the platform that I'm using here for trading stocks and charts, or stocks and crypto and things of that nature. You can trade it all on TradingView for free. But there is pop-ups when you do free stuff, and there is, you only get to use 3 indicators. So there is a disadvantage when you don't pay for it. But if you do decide to pay for it, you get a $30 discount using my link. So if you do decide that's something you want to do, I recommend, guys, if you're going to make investments and you're going to put your money into things, I recommend, just purchasing TradingView, some kind of plan, just because, it's you're putting your money out there, guys. You want to know what's going on. Okay, you want to learn how to chart, not just with. You don't want just fundamentals. You also want to learn how to chart too. You want to know every single part of the game. That's how you become successful playing this game. Okay, so I'll put a link in there. But if you guys decide to do it free, that's fine. Just go free route, but don't be scared when there's a lot of pop-ups and stuff like that. But that's how they make money when it's free. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. So let's see if this level holds up. Yeah, let's see if it holds up. I'm hoping we get a nice move from this, and it's not a trap. So hopefully it's not a trap. We get a nice move. And I think that's it. And much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe. And I will give you guys another video tomorrow. And yeah, I think that's it. Much love, guys. Peace out.